Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Oil-Free Skin Perfector. So if you're interested in that, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, let's start the try on. First I'm going to prep my skin. I already used sunscreen. Now I'm going to put on the Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This is the blurring one. There's actually 6 different formulas that she created for different skin types. So she has a perfecting one, which is for normal skin. She also has a protecting one that's supposed to help you and protect your skin from elements, outside elements. She also has a blurring one, which is good for oily combination skin. She has a hydrating one that's good for dry skin, illuminating, which is good for dull skin, and then this one is the blurring, which is good for textured skin, combo oily also. So this one I'm going to start off, I'm going to use this. And this is also silicone free. It's water based. It comes in a little tube like this. It is 50 milliliters, made in USA, and has a 24-month shelf life. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. There's not really a smell, which I like. And I will use a clean brush, and I will just place this right where I would like to have a little blurring effect. And if you're interested, I love this brush for applying any kind of skincare. This is the Miranda brush by Hank & Henry. Love it. So next I'm going to try the new Tinted Moisturizer Natural Skin Perfector. This one has an SPF of 20, which is really good. Added sunscreen. The shade that I'm going to be using today is 2-in-1 Nude. So there's actually 20 different shades to choose from on the website. And this is what the bottle looks like. It has 50 milliliters and it's made in Italy. So I'm going to go ahead and read some details off of the website to see what its claims are. It does say it's an all-day comfortable shine control infused with oil-absorbing powders. I love that. It's oil-free. It's non-greasy, soothing hydration. It's got licorice root extract, is known to soothe skin. It's a healthy, blurred, matte finish. And it never looks cakey. It's supposed to not emphasize texture or anything like that. It's color true wear. It says it's effortless, even coverage, protection from environmental aggressors. It's got vitamin E, broad spectrum, SPF 20, shield skin from damaging effects of UV and the environment. The key ingredients is oil absorbing powders, help keep skin shine free with a natural demi matte finish. Licorice root extract, known to soothe irritated or troubled skin. It states it's oil-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, and talc-free. So let's see what it says to wear this. It says place a small amount on the back of your hand and apply to clean skin with fingertips. It says repeat application until desired coverage is achieved for the fastest no makeup look, which is great for the summertime. So let's go ahead and open her up and put her to the test. I am not going to be using my fingertips. I do not like that, but I'm going to try a brush. If it doesn't work with the brush, I'll try a sponge. So I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm just going to dot this all around my face. It feels really cooling on the skin. I'm going to use my Real Techniques. This is one of my favorite foundation brushes. I'm going to use whatever's left over on my hand, and I'm going to use that for my neck. And then I'm just going to go in. Let me get a mirror so I can see up close. And I'm just going to buff it all in. So it's really lightweight. It feels really nice on the skin. I would say it's a tinted moisturizer. It's not going to give you too much coverage. It's just a little bit of tint of color. But I like it. I like it. I mean, we have summer in Louisiana and the humidity is crazy. But I am searching for a good tinted moisturizer when we go to the beach. We go to the beach a lot. I love taking the kids to the beach, to the water parks. Yes. So this would be great to wear. It actually applied really nicely with the brush, which I'm so happy about because I don't want to use my fingers. And if you do, that's totally a personal preference. Nothing against that. The match looks good. Well, I like it. So, but the wear test, that's what we're going to do. We're going to see about this wear test. So I'm going to go and I'm going to wear it, and I'll do some check-ins throughout the day like normal. And then I will be back at the end of day to talk about this product. Alright guys, this is end of day. It's been a good 8 hours and I really like it. It's a really nice tinted moisturizer. It's like really natural. I did put a little bronzer on. It laid really nice on top, and I did some concealer and that laid really nice on top of it. But overall, I really like it. I'm gonna give you some close-ups. So this is what it looks like at end of day. You could still see redness and stuff like that, but it's a tinted moisturizer. It gives it a really nice, fresh, healthy, fresh, evened out tint to the skin. So I really liked it. I have nothing bad to say. I mean, there's no separation or anything. You can still see redness underneath. It just looks really natural. So overall, I really would recommend this product. If you're looking for a tinted moisturizer with an SPF, it is a really nice choice. Also, the primer that I used, I really loved it. It really blurred out and made that pretty canvas underneath. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stay blessed.